Welcome to the Flatearth adventures of Dicky Bird. Dicky Bird in You Got Jokes.
Hey, Uncle Dicky. Hey, Uncle Dicky.
Yes?
You want to hear a flat Earth joke?
Sure, shoot.
How many globetrotters does it take to screw in a light bulb?
I don't know, Timmy. How many globetrotters does it take to screw in a light bulb?
As many as you tell them.
Oh, good one. Good one.
Uncle Dicky.
Yes?
Can you tell me another NASA globetard story?
Well, sure. Well, do you have anything in mind? And then he told people that Mars was a place to visit. How you doing? I'm here to let you know that if you want, you can get some real estate here on Mars. You can't live there for another, 800 years. But if you give us your money now, your kids can move right in. Yeah, right in. Yep, and that's how that story went.